Hey friends, welcome to today's video. If you're playing Grow a Garden on Roblox, stop wasting your time, because this new script is absolutely insane. It's packed with features like infinite seeds, a pet spawner, and a seed spawner. And the best part? It runs super smooth on everything. Mobile, PC, iOS, Android, Windows, and even Mac. No key system, no lag, no bans. You just run it once using Delta Executor or whatever executor you prefer, and boom, you'll be spawning seeds and pets like crazy, candy blossoms, raccoons, you name it. Your coins will stack up non-stop, and yes, it's 100% safe. No bugs, no ban, no stress. So stop wasting time. Here's how to get it. First, open your browser and head to the site you see on screen right now. I can't post the link in the comments, so make sure you watch closely. Search for Grow a Garden and it should show up right at the top. Pick your device, iPhone, Android, Mac, or Windows, and hit download. The download will usually start automatically, but if it asks for a quick verification, go ahead and do it. It takes just a minute or two. Once you've got the script, just paste it into Delta or whatever executor you're using, inject it, and let it run. No fake loading screens, no fake visuals. This is the real deal, fully updated for the latest version. If it worked for you, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more legit mobile scripts that go hard.